What you are about to witness is not just a restoration. It's the astonishing rebirth of a legend, long thought lost to time. A forgotten relic, buried in mud and memories, holds a story of incredible resilience. Her journey to revive it will defy all expectations. The first challenge, to move the dead weight of the past. Inside, she contemplates the monumental task ahead. The transformation begins not with a roar, but with a single bolt. A careful, deliberate disassembly begins. Each piece, a clue to its former glory. She delves deeper into the machine's mechanical heart. The entire structure is methodically taken apart. Years of neglect are catalogued, piece by piece. Every component is inspected with intense focus. Then begins the baptism, washing away the layers of decay. The engine, caked in dirt, is cleansed, revealing the soul hidden beneath the grime. A glimmer of its original form starts to emerge. A final inspection before the true work begins. Satisfaction in the first step of a long journey. Now, the true restoration can get underway. Even the smallest imperfections tell a story of hardship. Old parts must be reshaped with force and precision. The wear and tear of 1,000 journeys is evident. With unwavering focus, she begins the delicate surgery. Hands work with a mechanic's practiced grace. Her determination is etched on her face. Exploring the intricate inner workings of the engine. Each part is a puzzle piece in a complex machine. Meticulous cleaning is essential for the rebirth. Chemicals strip away years of oil and rust. A fresh coat of paint, a promise of a new beginning. Now for the carburetor, the lungs of the engine. Every tiny passage must be cleared for air to flow once more. Patience and a soft touch are key to this delicate process. Further disassembly reveals even more complexity. Slowly, carefully, the components are reassembled. The piston, the very heart of the engine's power, is set in place. The timing chain is carefully threaded, sensing the machine's rhythm. The engine begins to look whole again. The intricate dance of mechanics continues. The cylinder head is secured, sealing the chamber of power. Every screw is tightened with purpose. Each part fits perfectly, a testament to her skill. No detail is too small, no component overlooked. The resurrected engine sits, ready for its new life. The reassembly process is a slow, methodical ritual. With gentle force, the engine case is joined together. Now, attention turns to the machine's nervous system. She carefully begins to weave the web of wires. connecting the pathways that will carry the spark of life. From the workshop, the next phase of the project emerges. The electrical work demands intense concentration. Checking and rechecking every connection. Polishing old parts, making them new again. The delicate task of wiring continues. A final check of the completed frame. Each wire is a critical link in the chain. The fuel tank, the vessel of power, is reinstalled. The moment of truth approaches, fuel is added. But this story is bigger than one motorcycle. Across the fields, another machine calls for her help. A jolt of life is needed to awaken this sleeping giant. Its own electrical system is a tangled mess of decay. With patience, she mends the broken connections. Inside the belly of the beast, the true work begins. The truck's engine is a far greater challenge. Old, rusted bolts fight her every step of the way. This abandoned titan has been surrendering to nature. She dives into the heart of the wiring once again. The dashboard, a fossil of a bygone era. The engine is a labyrinth of pipes and gears. Her tools become extensions of her will, isolating the source of the decay. Even as exhaustion sets in, her focus never wavers. A surgeon's precision in an industrial-sized operation. This small part is critical to the engine's function. Careful hands work to free the seized component. A part is freed, a small victory in a long war. Now, the process of rebuilding can commence. Another day, another layer of the machine to peel back. Underneath the giant, the real struggle unfolds. Using simple leverage to conquer immense weight. She isn't afraid to get into the dirtiest parts of the job. Her expression is one of pure, undiluted concentration. Ingenuity is her most powerful tool. Her reputation spreads, others seek out her unique skills. Back at the truck, she lubricates the joints frozen by time, giving the machine a chance to move freely once more. The axle, the backbone of the vehicle's strength. She single-handedly prepares to lift the massive chassis. After the mechanical work, the deep cleaning begins. The truck's true colors emerge from under the grime. Elsewhere, another story of decay waits in the wilderness. A meeting of modern skill and ancient challenges. The jungle road is unforgiving to all machines. A small, powerful tractor is the only hope. Nature constantly tries to reclaim what man has made. The landscape is beautiful, but treacherous. But with the right machine, even the wild can be tamed. Her work often involves rescuing the stranded. A moment of peace after a successful recovery. But the work is never truly done. Returning to the truck's complex electrical heart. The interior, a time capsule of neglect. She continues her forensic examination of the engine. Even the floor holds secrets that must be uncovered. Clearing out the debris of a decade. Tracing the path of power through brittle, old wires. The battery, the source of the spark, is given new life. Fresh oil is the lifeblood of the reborn engine. Another component must be removed and serviced. Cleaning and inspecting with an expert eye. A view into the soul of the machine. The carburetor, the truck's breathing apparatus, is carefully extracted. On the workbench, it is completely dismantled. Every tiny piece is crucial for it to function correctly. The disassembled heart is brought out into the light. A collection of parts, waiting to be made whole again. The delicate process of restoration is painstaking. Sometimes, gentle persuasion is not enough. Years of corrosion have fused metal parts together. She searches for a replacement part, a missing link. Checking the salvaged component for viability. The reassembly of the carburetor begins. Each screw tightened, bringing it closer to function. Fine-tuning the delicate instruments within. The rebuilt carburetor is carefully installed back into the engine. The engine cover is secured, a major milestone. Inside the cab, the gear system is reconnected. The interior is finally cleared of all debris. She steps back, the massive restoration nearly complete. But in the wild, another machine has fallen. A familiar sight, a vehicle succumbing to the mud. With help on the way, they make a valiant effort. The tires of the tractor bite deep into the earth. A calm operator surveys the challenge ahead. Raw power is applied to break the mud's grip. Slowly, the trapped Jeep begins to move. Freedom, thanks to the power of another resurrected machine. But this rescue is only half the battle. The Jeep is free, but it is broken. Once again, she must diagnose a silent engine. Her focus is absolute as she begins the repair. A single wire could be the difference between silence and ignition. Carefully reinforcing the damaged electrical system. She gathers the necessary tools for the final revival. Checking the battery for any sign of life. A turn of the key, a moment of hopeful anticipation. The spark plugs, carriers of the engine's fire, are inspected. Her work continues, methodically eliminating problems. The head of the engine is open for a deeper look. Tightening bolts, ensuring a perfect seal. Her persistence is the most vital tool she possesses. The repairs are complete. It is time for the final act. A transformative wash, revealing the beauty hidden within. A very special thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel Miss Mechanic for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.